Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn Statistics Class 10 Chapter number 14. Before starting from the main formulas, let's learn the basics. Class mark is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Class interval is the upper class limit minus lower class limit. Range is the highest value minus the lowest value. Now let's move on to mean. Mean is also known as x bar. The basic formula for calculating mean is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma is the summation. The most basic formula is x bar is equals to sum of observations upon total number of observations. Now guys, let me tell you one thing. The sigma fi xi upon sigma fi is the direct method for calculating mean. Now let's move on to assumed mean. In assumed mean, the formula of x bar is a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Now you may be assuming that what is a and what is di. Di is the value of xi minus a. A is the assumed mean. The value of a is calculated when xi, the middle value of the xi is the a. Let me give you an example so you will understand better. Okay guys, so this is the question. In this question, the class intervals are 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180 and 180 to 200. So, the xi would be UCL plus LCL upon 2, which is 110, 130, 150, 170 and 190. The Fi is given in the question. Now I said the A would be. Now what would be the value of A? The middle of the xi. So the middle is 150, right? So A is equals to 150. Now we will calculate di. Di was xi minus A. So 110 minus 150 would give you minus 40. Now 130 minus 150 would give you minus 20. 150 minus 150 would give you 0 and so on. So when we put it into the formula, we will get the answer. Guys, there was one more method known as the step deviation method, but in the 2020 year, this has been scrapped off by the CBSE. So we will not do this. With this, we complete the mean. Now let's move to median. Guys, this is the formula of the median. L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. I will explain you what this means when we will do the question. Okay guys, so let's start. In this question, we have the CI, the class interval is 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16 and 16 to 19. The frequencies given are as 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. In this question, we will consider the median class. The median class is the class with the highest frequency. So as you can see, the class with the highest frequency is 7:10 with a frequency of 40. Now as I wrote in the formula, what do we mean by L? L plus n by 2 it was. So L means the lower limit of the median class, which would be 7 in this case. N would be the sum of the frequency, which is 100. Now look very carefully with the cumulative frequency. CF is the cumulative frequency. 6 is here. Then when we move to the next step, we will add 30 plus 6, which is equals to 36. Then we will do 40 plus 36, which is equals to 76. Then 16 plus 72, which is equals to 92. And 4 plus 92 is 96. And 4 plus 96 is equal to 100. Always take care that this 100 and this n should always match. And if it is not matching, then there is some error in your calculations. The frequency was also written. This is the median class, right? 7 to 10. So the frequency of this median class, that is 40, would be taken as F. Now guys, when we come to the CF, means the cumulative frequency, this would be the cumulative frequency of the class before the median class. Now as you can see here, 7 to 10 is the median class, which has a frequency of 40. It has the above class, which is 4:7. It has cumulative frequency of 36. So this would be considered as the CF when we use the formula. Here we will place 36, not 76. So guys, let's start solving the question. Guys, h is the class, value of the class. Like 7 is to 10. It's like, we learned, right? Class mark. So h is the class mark, which is UCL minus LCL. So 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. That's why h is the 3. Now guys, look at the calculations carefully. I placed all the values according to the formula 7 plus 50 minus 36 upon 40 into 3, which turns out to be 7 plus 50 minus 36, 14 into 3 upon 40. 14 threes is 42, so I wrote 7 plus 42 upon 40. Now guys, don't take the LCM and then solve it. It would be very lengthy. So cancel out 40 and 42. We get 1.05. So the answer is 7 plus 1.05, which is 8.05. So the final answer would be 8.05 is the median of the given data. Guys, before the end of the video, I would like to tell you the imperial formula. It is a really very important formula. In this formula, what we want to say is that thrice of the median is equals to mode plus the twice of mean. It is a really important formula as we have 21 marker questions now. It can be asked as an MCQ, or it can also be asked as a normal question where the value of either mean or mode or any of the two of the three would be given, and you would be asked to calculate the third one. Kindly remember this formula. I am repeating it again. 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. Thrice of median is equals to mode plus twice of mean. Kindly remember this formula. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. And also comment in the comment section if you have any suggestions or complaints or doubts.